Hi, I'm John Tufts with Indy Star. We are here at Gen Con with Julien Sharp, who is the country manager or GM for the U.S. division of the international board game publisher asmodee. They're responsible for some of your favorite games, likely Catan, Ticket to Ride Star Wars Unlimited. And as a side bonus, while Miss Sharp works in Minnesota, she's from Indianapolis, right? Is this something of a homecoming for you?
It is. Every single year I get to come home and see. I was born about 4 miles from here. I'm glad to be back.
I have to ask, you're an industry insider. You know, tabletop games used to be played in basements. D&D was vilified in the 80s, and they've gone mainstream. I mean, how did we get here?
Well, we've had a big event a few years ago. That was the pandemic, and a lot of people rediscovered or discovered games for the first time. A lot of people who become a game hobbyist that's here at this place, standing in line for hours to get that new thing or to get that new game, they have maybe picked up one game one time, and it can turn them into a whole hobby. They realize, I like this game. I like playing games. I'll play another one. I'll play another one. They buy the collect shelf that everything is on, which has all their games. You can get that at IKEA, that shelf everybody likes to put their games in. And then all of a sudden they're a hobbyist and they want that new game. They want that new experience. Realize, I don't just like this game. I like to play games. I didn't know that about myself. So then they go, what more games are there? So they start to talk to friends. They start to visit their friendly local game store. They go to their local Target. But games, you can find a lot of hobby type games in so many places now. They're online. They're in board game cafes. They're in the hobby shops. They're in mass. Just everywhere now is really, really doing well with games, so they're carrying them. People want them. They want to play, and as you can see by this crowd, I mean, it's been nonstop since this morning. You see the people just rushing in. It's unbelievable. This is really the pinnacle of consumer board game shows for us in our industry here in the United States. So this is where you see, but these people, a lot of them just started by picking up that very first game.
Now I'm curious, what games do you enjoy playing right now?
Well, I love Catan, and I love the new Catan on the Road, which is unbelievably fun. It is a $10 card game version of the original Catan, and if you can do the Catan experience in about 15 minutes, teach somebody. It's a good gateway to kind of say, hey, do you like the mechanic? And why don't you play a bigger board game? So it's a nice thing, and that is really fun, and you can put it in your pocket, which is a lot of fun too. So I really am enjoying that we have our Clash of Clans new game over in the distributed side of our business. I really also like Magical Athlete. I enjoy Office Dog has brought us some great trick-taking games from Lord of the Rings. We also have 2 K-pop titles, K-pop Spot It, and we have K-pop Love Letter Game, and all of them I've played and I have loved. So really exciting. I have a really wide variety of games. They go from the smallest to the largest and more complex. So
I imagine so.